Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be making an Afro swing, or you can call it an Afro dancehall, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna be making it from scratch, and without wasting time guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I have this, this guitar vibe from Danny Mo, and I'm just gonna be playing around. He sent me these melodies to create a sample pack with it, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I approach making a beat from start to finish. Yeah, so it's actually dragged, so I'm just gonna bring the tempo to around 95 BPM. I'm gonna be using tempo of 95 BPM to create this Afro swing vibe. So let's listen to it at that BPM now. Yeah, I love the way the guitar is actually sounding really nice. So quickly just gonna start creating my drums, and I'm just gonna loop this part, and this is just the way I go about creating my beat, guys. So from here we have this. I'm gonna start with my hat, so have something like, something like this. Yep. Then for my rim shot, I'll just have like, so I think we have a vibe. Then I'm just gonna put my kick. So for my kick, I'm gonna be using a very punchy kick. Yep, I think I like this. And so for my kick, I'm just gonna have the kick something like this. Yeah, just like this, something simple like this. Nice. So we have like a nice vibe. So what I can do is to split my drums, or I can actually leave my drums like this. But I love having my drums on different inserts or different channels. So I'm just gonna come over here and just split by channel. So each of the drums are on a different insert, and I'm just gonna bring them back in. So we have this, and we have our clav, and we have our kick, so we can have some variation if need be. So for our drums now, let me just mute the melody. For our drums, we have this. So I can make this unique, so I can have a different, variation of the kick. So we have, so we have two different kicks. Just replace this with, so. Nice. So have like a very solid bounce, and I always have my soft clipper right here to just make on my master, to just make everything sit well. So we have this bounce. I can turn off my metronome now. Then I can add some nice conga to go, but let me just send my stuff, each track to the mixer. I can just select everything, hold Control Shift, select it, come over to your to your mixer, right click, channel routing, route selected channel starting from this track, so it brings everything. Yeah, so nice. So I can bring in a conga now. Let's see conga, and there's this nice conga I love using. Yeah, so this is just basically how I go about making beats. For me, it might be different for every other person, but this is just my style. So let's go to and create this conga. Don't mind my spelling, man. So put the conga, and I'm just gonna put the conga on every tuba. So I have, and I've done this conga like a lot. Just swing it. Yeah, nice. So you just have to come in and just do it manually, man. Yeah. So let me bring in the guitar melody now. We have like something like this. Yeah. Send it to my mixer. What I'm gonna do, just give it this guitar preset. So basically what this preset has is just a little bit of reverb, and I think I'm gonna bring in waves NS I think that's better. At least it has reduced it a bit. Let me increase my reverb. So for the bass, I'm gonna be using Hive, because I need that punchy bass to support, to support the kick. Come over to my basses, 808 boom, and this is a very nice and punchy bass. So just to find the key of what we are on, I think we're on the key of G. Yeah, but I'm just gonna play the root notes first off. Just for me, I just first play the root note for my bass before I go into playing some variations. So yeah, we have this. Something like, yeah. Nice. So just put the root note down there, then I'm gonna play around with it later. Yeah, for my snare, I'm just gonna increase it a little bit. Yeah, for my kick also, just increase it. Yep, so sidechain my kick and my bass, send my bass over. Yep, so just come over here, sidechain, go to my bass, bring in the fruity limiter, and let's just so let me try to go higher. Let's see. I think I'm going to go lower. Yeah, let's go lower with it. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so let me just add up this to have this. Nice. Yeah, so I think I can add some nice chords. So for my chords, I'm gonna go over to, so I'm gonna be using this. Yeah, so let's go with this. Nice. Okay, so I have this. Just quantize it, Control Q, and I think I can bring my send it to my mixer. I think I'm gonna add drip to it, just to have nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, just gonna take out some EQ. So for me, I just mix on the go, man. Whatever sound is not sounding the way I want, as I'm working, I just mix it. So yeah, let me go over to Splice and see if I can some percussions I could add. Let's try this vocal and see. It might not work, but at least we've tried something. So let me just stretch it, drag in to fit tempo, and we're on the key of C sharp major here, and I'm on the key of G. So all I need to do is go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. Okay, so we don't have that. We just have let's take this out. Yeah, nice. So something like this. Let me just manage this and yeah. Nice. I think we have like a solid intro. Yeah, let's see some hi-hat. I love this bounce. So let me see if I can incorporate this into what I'm trying to do and hope it works. So let me stretch this and see. Yeah, I think it works. So let me just bring this a little bit down. I'm just gonna take out some of the lows. Yeah, so with our kick. Yeah. Nice. Let's look for a crash. I think it's 2 bars and we have this. So this can just be like our verse. So for our intro, we can have this. Yeah, so then for our verse, we can take out this. What else? I think I can add like I said, a telephone effect. Yeah, so we can have that. You know, just creating like just random effects. Nice. Simple, nice and simple, man. Yeah, just bring this down. Yeah, so I think we have like a very solid vibe, man. This is from Fire Vibes. Yeah, so once more, let's just listen from the top, and I think this is fire. You're gonna get access to this FLP, you know, for educational purpose only, just to play around with it and see, you know, in depth what I did. So let's listen to the vibe, guys. Yeah, and in terms of the mixing, you know, see, it sounded really nice, so I don't really need to do anything, you know, picking out the right sounds and just make sure everything is balanced. It's like very, very important, guys. Yep guys, so you can see how very easy it is to make an Afro beat. So man, if you want to get access to this FLP, make sure you're in the Patreon. I'm gonna drop it so you guys could play around with it and see what I actually did in the whole process. So you know, if you like videos like this, let me know, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm really gonna appreciate you guys' feedback. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching.